I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be logged into Sproutgigs and have an Authenticator app or phone SMS active. Once logged in, navigate directly to Settings, then Security. Don't wander through menus. Click Two-Factor Authentication to begin. This first action initializes a QR code and backup codes. Make sure you can access your phone immediately because the next steps require scanning or entering a code. This speeds setup and reduces the chance. Once the QR code appears, open your Authenticator app and scan it. If scanning fails, type the shared key manually into the app. After your app displays a 6-digit code, enter that code back in Sproutgigs to verify the pairing. This confirms the server and your device are synchronized. Make sure to copy or download the backup codes offered by Sproutgigs and store them offline or in a password manager, because those codes are your recovery path if you lose your phone. Finish by flipping the Enable Two-Factor Authentication toggle and confirming any final prompts. Sproutgigs may ask for your password again to lock settings. Once enabled, immediately test by signing out and signing back in. Use an authenticator code to confirm everything works. If you run into problems, first check the time settings on your phone. Authenticator apps need correct time to generate valid codes. If that doesn't help, use backup codes or contact Sproutgigs support for account recovery to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.